guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be walking you through the beginner's guide to Mureka AI, as you can see on my screen. So the Mureka AI is actually an AI song and music maker that helps you write down your lyrics, or it can actually generate one for you, right? So all you need to do is go to Play Store or Apple Store and search for Mureka AI, and you click on it, open once installed, and this is the app, right? It's looking quite friendly and nice to use. Okay, I can see the Gold Premium brings it there to life, and there's also a free version you can see there. So there's a free version, 12 gold songs, publish ready music, emotional vocals, melodies. So you can go with the pro and 7.5. That's the all. So how the app is being used, you can actually enter the lyrics, right? You can actually go to ChatGPT and ask for lyrics, and you can also enter a style, mode, instruments, vocal, description, right? Or you can just pick from here, and you can pick if it's a male vocal or a female vocal you actually want, and you enter the song title. So once you do that, click on create and it's going to get created. So this is like the home page of the where you get to watch how people actually do theirs. So and create. Okay, it's actually creating one for me right now. I guess it's quite nice, and it's going. Though I did not pick any genre or instrument, but it's doing one for me. And here is where you get to sign in. So sign in with your Google or Facebook or Discord, and this is where all your songs are going to be, and your playlist as well. Click on start creating to actually create. So I'm going to use instrument right here, and it's going to actually start working, right? So it's very simple on how to use. So once you do that, you can now download music and use it for whatever you want to use it for. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. This is my next video. Bye.